Ever wondered if there's a secret potion for longevity and health? In an era where lifestyle choices significantly shape our health and lifespan, this question is more relevant than ever. We're diving into a topic that's caught the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. Certain drinks that potentially promote stem cell regeneration and longevity. Imagine, something as simple as your morning cuppa could hold the key to a healthier, longer life. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned as we uncover the science behind these life-enhancing beverages. First things first, let's understand what stem cells are. Stem cells, in the simplest terms, are the body's raw materials. They are cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. Picture a block of clay, ready to be molded into any shape or form. That's what stem cells are like. They possess the unique ability to morph into different cell types, be it muscle cells, red blood cells, or brain cells. They're born in the bone marrow, the soft fatty tissue inside the bone cavities. From there, they embark on a journey throughout the body, stepping in to repair, regenerate, and rejuvenate as required. They are the body's natural repair system, always on standby, ready to replace damaged or aging cells. Imagine you're riding a bicycle, and you take a tumble. You end up with a scrape on your knee. It's the stem cells that rush to the scene of the accident to start the healing process. They work tirelessly, dividing and developing into new skin cells to patch up the wound. But it's not just about healing wounds. Stem cells play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. They continually renew and replace tissues in the body that wear out over time or get damaged. From the skin that forms the outer layer of our bodies, to the lining of our gut that gets worn down by the food we eat, stem cells are there, working behind the scenes to keep our bodies functioning smoothly. And here's the thing that makes stem cells truly extraordinary. They are the only cells in the body that have the ability to generate new cell types. They can divide without limit to replenish other cells, giving the body a sort of internal repair system. In essence, stem cells are like the body's personal crew of handymen, always ready to jump into action to repair, regenerate, and rejuvenate. They're the unsung heroes of our body, the silent workforce that keeps us healthy and fit. Now that we know what stem cells are, let's delve into their relationship with longevity. So, how do stem cells contribute to longevity, you might ask? Well, stem cells play a vital role in the maintenance and renewal of our bodies. They're like our body's personal repair system, continuously regenerating cells that have been damaged or lost due to normal wear and tear. The fascinating thing about stem cells is their unique ability to divide and differentiate into a variety of cell types. They can become heart cells, brain cells, skin cells, and so on. This makes them incredibly valuable in maintaining our health and vitality. However, as we age, our stem cells begin to wear out. They lose their potency and their ability to divide and renew. This is what we call stem cell exhaustion. It's a bit like a car running out of gas. The vehicle, or in this case our body, can't function properly without fuel. Stem cell exhaustion is one of the key factors contributing to the aging process. As our stem cells become less effective, our body's ability to repair and regenerate declines. This leads to the gradual deterioration of our bodily functions, the onset of diseases, and ultimately, the reduction of our lifespan. But here's where it gets interesting. Research has shown that by maintaining and regenerating our stem cells, we could potentially slow down the aging process and extend our lifespan. Imagine if we could keep our body's repair system in top condition, like a well-oiled machine. We'd be able to keep our bodies healthier for longer, thus promoting longevity. This is not a far-fetched idea. In fact, there's a lot of scientific research being conducted right now to understand how we can harness the power of stem cells to improve our health and extend our lives. It's a fascinating field that holds a lot of promise for the future. With this understanding, let's explore how certain drinks can boost our stem cells and promote longevity. The first drink on our list is green tea. This ancient aromatic brew isn't just a comforting cuppa, it's a veritable fountain of youth, brimming with rejuvenating properties that can help you live longer and healthier. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that battles free radicals in the body. Free radicals are pesky, destructive molecules that contribute to aging and diseases. Just think of polyphenols as your personal bodyguards, always on duty to protect your cells from harm. But the magic of green tea doesn't stop there. It's also packed with a unique type of polyphenol called catechins. Catechins are superhero antioxidants, with one of the most potent being epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. EGCG has been linked to a myriad of health benefits, from reducing inflammation to combating heart disease. Now, let's move on to the star of the show, the feature we've all been waiting for: stem cells. Green tea with its EGCG is a potent promoter of stem cell growth. Stem cells, as you might remember from our earlier scenes, play a crucial role in longevity. They're the body's repair system, constantly regenerating to replace old or damaged cells. By encouraging stem cell growth, green tea helps keep your body's repair system in top-notch condition, potentially slowing down the aging process and extending your lifespan. But wait, there's more. Green tea is also a known activator of a gene called SIRT1. This gene is often referred to as a longevity gene because it helps protect the body from the diseases of aging. When you sip on green tea, you're not just enjoying a soothing drink, you're activating your body's anti-aging mechanisms. So, with its potent antioxidants, stem cell promoting properties, and longevity gene activation, green tea is a powerhouse of health and longevity benefits. It's a simple, enjoyable, and effective way to potentially add years to your life and life to your years. So, don't hesitate to pour yourself a cup of green tea for your next break. Next up, we have pomegranate juice. Imagine a fruit so powerful its juice is like a magic elixir for your cells. This is the pomegranate, a superfood with an impressive pedigree dating back to ancient civilizations. The pomegranate's secret weapon, polyphenols. These potent antioxidants are found in abundance in pomegranate juice, and they play a crucial role in promoting stem cell regeneration. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal with polyphenols? Well, these chemical compounds have been linked to a host of health benefits. They are known for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-carcinogenic properties. But their impact on stem cells is where they truly shine. Polyphenols can boost the body's stem cell production. These cells are the building blocks of life, capable of transforming into any cell your body needs. From repairing damaged tissues to maintaining the health of vital organs, stem cells are nothing short of miraculous. Increasing their numbers in our body is like giving ourselves a rejuvenating boost, a fresh lease on life, so to speak. Pomegranate juice, with its high polyphenol content, does just that. Studies have shown that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can stimulate the body's own stem cell production. This can lead to enhanced tissue repair, improved immune response, and even slower aging. In addition to this, pomegranate juice is associated with other health benefits. It's known to lower blood pressure, reduce heart disease risk, and even improve memory and cognitive function. All these benefits contribute to a longer, healthier life, making pomegranate juice a potent, longevity-promoting drink. But the best part? This elixir of life is delicious. Whether you enjoy it as is, mix it into your smoothies, or use it as a base for your salad dressings, pomegranate juice is versatile and enjoyable. So remember, every time you sip on a glass of pomegranate juice, you're not just quenching your thirst. You're nurturing your stem cells, promoting your health, and potentially extending your lifespan. That's reason enough to make pomegranate juice a regular part of your diet. Lastly, we have coffee. Ah, the sweet aroma of a freshly brewed cup of coffee. It's more than just a morning pick-me-up. It's a rich source of antioxidants, a promoter of stem cell health, and a key player in longevity. Let's start with antioxidants. Coffee is brimming with them. Antioxidants are crucial for our health as they fight against free radicals, the rogue elements that cause damage to our cells. This cellular damage can lead to a host of health problems, from premature aging to chronic diseases. But, thanks to the antioxidants in coffee, the harmful effects of these free radicals can be mitigated. Moving on, coffee is also a supporter of stem cell health. Stem cells, as we know, are the body's natural repair kit. They are the cells that can become any type of cell that our body needs. So, maintaining their health is essential. But how does coffee fit into this? Well, studies suggest that the caffeine in coffee can help to stimulate the movement of stem cells, making them more effective in repairing and regenerating our body's tissues. And what about longevity? Can your daily cup of joe really help you live longer? The answer, according to research, is yes. Studies have shown that regular coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of death from all causes. This could be due to coffee's antioxidant content, its support of stem cell health, or a combination of both. So whether you prefer your coffee black, with a splash of milk or a sprinkle of cinnamon, you're not just satisfying your taste buds. You're also supporting your body's cells, promoting your health, and potentially adding years to your life. Indeed, coffee is more than just a beverage. It's a potent health elixir, a rejuvenator of cells, and a contributor to longevity. Now, you have more reasons to enjoy your morning cup of joe. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've delved into the fascinating world of stem cells, those remarkable biological marvels that have the potential to regenerate and repair damaged tissues in our bodies. These microscopic powerhouses are key players in our health and longevity. We've discovered the integral role of stem cells in maintaining our well-being. They are our body's natural healing system, constantly working to repair and rejuvenate us from the inside out. They are the very essence of biological renewal, the secret ingredient in the recipe of life. But maintaining optimal stem cell health is not just about understanding them, it's about nourishing them. And that's where our 3 remarkable drinks come into play. Firstly, we explored the benefits of the humble green tea, a beverage steeped in history and brimming with antioxidants. It's not just a warm, soothing drink, it's a liquid elixir that can boost our stem cell health. The potent antioxidants in green tea help stave off oxidative stress, thereby promoting the health and vitality of our stem cells. Next, we delved into the world of blueberry smoothies. This delicious drink is not just a feast for the taste buds, but a banquet for our stem cells. The anthocyanins in blueberries are known to enhance stem cell regeneration, making this fruity concoction a potent aid in our quest for health and longevity. Finally, we turned our attention to the intriguing sourdough bread, kombucha, a drink that combines the benefits of probiotics and antioxidants. This fermented marvel can support our gut health, which in turn can boost our stem cell health. The symbiotic relationship between our gut and our stem cells is a testament to the interconnectedness of our body's systems. But remember, these drinks are not magic potions. They are part of a broader lifestyle that prioritizes health and well-being. They complement a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a positive mindset. And while they can boost our stem cell health, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. So, as we conclude our journey into the world of stem cells and longevity, let's raise a glass to these 3 fantastic drinks. Whether it's a cup of green tea, a glass of blueberry smoothie, or a bottle of sourdough bread kombucha, let's savor these beverages and the health benefits they bring. Remember, longevity isn't just about living longer, it's about living healthier too. So drink up and cheers to a healthier, longer life.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button.